Hey Alex, Ben, and all the other stuff. I hope you guys are doing well. So our bot is ready to import products on this website. Uh, right now, I'm going to send you this zip file. Uh, you have to extract this zip file to a simple folder like this one, and now you have to follow these steps to run this bot on your Windows PC. You have to open this folder, go to application files, this folder, and then you will see this application file here. uh, you have to use this file all the time. Well, here are two more folders named files and exported files. In files folder there's a txt file named description. Here you can customize the description of the products whenever you want. And then in the images folder there are you will need to copy and paste all your products images in this folder. Okay, and then in the exported files folder all the exported files from the bot will be saved here. So now we are going to start the bot. Here we will insert our credentials, and then we will import the file with the product titles, and then we will start the bot. It will log into the website. Okay, if sometimes it asks for the verification code, when you face that screen, then you can put the code before clicking this pop-up OK. Otherwise you can click this OK right now. Well, now it will select a random image from the folder, then it will select the category, it will put the product title and price and all the other stuff, condition, location, and then it will publish the product on the website. Description will be written in the same format that we have in the txt file, so you will need to be careful about it. The process of the description is a little bit slow, but in this way this website won't be able to detect that we are using a bot. We can import as many products as we want using this bot. There are no limitations and no blocking issues. Okay, this is the deal method that we are going to choose. Okay, the first product has been successfully listed. Now it will do the second product. So every time it will be selecting a random image, same category, and product title from this list. Okay, one more thing here, we will be having the statistics, like we have imported these two products successfully on the board. Second one is the current product that we are that bot is writing the description. We have received an email that your product has been listed successfully on the website. Okay, this one. So there is the product title, price, category, complete description, and the image path. Okay, we will have these details, all the data in the Excel by clicking this export button. We can select the any format that we want, like Excel, CSV, TXT, or any kind of format. We will select Excel, then we will click the export button. It will export the file, and then we can open that exported file from here. So here we have all the products list that we have imported successfully on the website. Okay. Uh, okay, this is the third product that we have imported. Okay, that's all. I have added one more functionality in the board. Here's a pause button, but right now I have to work on it. This will be functional in the next update. Okay. Uh, by using this button, we will be able to pause this board anytime we want. We will click this pause button only once. Board will be paused, and we will be able to resume the board when we click this button again. Okay, so that's all for the board. And here one more thing, we can change the look and feel of the board. These are the themes. Okay, we can change the colors and themes of the board as well. So right now I'm using this coffee one. Okay, uh, that's all. If you face any kind of issues regarding this board, then let me know. And please guys, recommend my services to your circle. I will be offering a good deal with your reference to the clients. Okay, take care, please. Have a good day. Bye bye.